Welcome to our 12 English verb tense series.
Hit the subscribe button before we begin.
Time for review. What is past continuous? The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Form: subject plus was / were plus verb, ing. When do we use it? 1. An action in progress at a specific time. At 7 p.m., I was studying. 2. An interrupted action. I was walking when it started raining. 3. Two actions happening at the same time. She was cooking while he was watching TV. For example, I was reading a book at 10 p.m. They were playing soccer when the storm began. She wasn't listening to the teacher. Time for a mini lesson. What is past perfect? The past perfect tense is used to show that one action happened before another action in the past. It's formed with had plus past participle. Structure: subject plus had plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence. For example, I had finished grading before the meeting started. She had already left when I arrived. The students had studied before the test. Let's try together. Wow, great job. I think you can do this on your own. You try. Time to take a quiz. Which sentence is written in the past perfect tense? Wow, amazing. You rock. You're awesome. Type a past perfect sentence in the comments. Like, share and follow for more.